Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I will show you how to enable or disable the Google feed in this device. So first of all, you can see that in my case that's activated. If you want to turn it off, just click hold on your home screen and then swipe to the left, and then tap now to the switcher to turn it off. As you can see right now that's not activated. If you want to activate this option now, just do the same thing by tap on the switcher, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.